Yep, this may be like any other power surge over there. It has nothing special, doesn't have like any special powers or something like that. It's not wireless, but I was looking for something that gave me at least 5 or 6 outlets, but it's also super compact. This is what I was looking for, something really compact that offers me everything I need, but also that has a super long cable over here. This one is a 10 feet long cable. So this is what is kind of like what I'm needing for. So if you need something like this, compact, that also gives you a really good long cable over here that is actually braided. So it is kind of like flat as well. Actually, I'm gonna just stop talking and show it to you in a close up. So here's what I wanted to show you. Take a look at this. Take a look at how flat this is over here. Also 10 feet long. And of course, you're gonna see that this is also braided. This is the connector that you're gonna use. So no issues here. It's not one of those like super big. So if you have some furniture, this is not gonna take too much space. But this is the important thing. It comes right here if you wanna actually mount it to the wall. And then not one, but two, three, four, five, six AC outlets and two USB-A and also a USB-C. Yep, it also has a power surge button over there. So this is super good about not taking too much space with a super long cable and of course giving you all those outlets that you're gonna need. So you can actually put your TV, your microwave, appliances, your computer, charge your computer as well, charge your phone as well, your printer, many other things you can actually use with this one with the two USB-As, the USB-C, the 6 outlets, the surge button over there, the chance to actually mount it in the wall, and of course the flat and long cable over here. I like it. I do recommend this one. Thanks for watching and see you soon.